get ready. The kettle will say, Pira! Here, please be patient while waiting for this kettle to whistle. And when this kettle will start to whistle, get ready. Get ready with your balde.
This is amazing.
The balde is the big tub. With your kabo. And the kabo is the small. Saan ang kabo, Tikel?
Tabo.
Kabo ba? Kabo. Kabo. Para ikuan ba?
Jug.
Jug. Yeah. Get ready with your jug and your balde ba? Balde. Ang sabi ng balde, Tikel? What's the balde?
Pail.
Aside from the kuan, they use the term here, jug and the
Bucket.
tub. Bucket. Oh, get ready with your
Pati.